how to make burrito in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Earth plus wind, we have dust, plus earth, we have planet. Double fire, we have volcano. Volcano plus wind, we have eruption. Earth plus water, we have plant. Eruption plus planet, we have Mars. Mars plus plant, we have potato. Potato plus volcano, let's find it. I don't know why I don't find it, but here it is. We have French fries. French fries plus fire, we have McDonald's. McDonald's plus fire, we have burger. And let's put it aside. Let's make time right now. Wind plus water, we have wave. Wave plus earth, we have sand. I will double the sand because we need it. Okay, sand. Sand plus fire, we have glass. Glass plus sand, it will be hourglass, but again I will double it because I will need it. We have hourglass. Hourglass plus sand, we have time. And right now let's grab burrito. And that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.